Greetings, family. Peace and love to you and yours. This is Guru, and thanks for visiting my channel. So, family, I come to you today to say I hope you guys had a really nice Kwanzaa and that you had a good time over these holy days with your family and loved ones. I know I did. I came down with a really bad cold, so I didn't want to do any videos, but today I'm feeling a lot better, and I want to do a little catching up. So, with that said, I want to cover this story that came out last Friday, December 23rd, 2016, regarding the police officer, Geronimo Yanez, who shot and killed Philando Castile. The Minnesota defense attorney for this police officer, under the law, has exercised its right to have the judge removed. The judge, his name was Edward Wilson. He has served on the bench since 1987. He was the second highest senior judge in that district, and they initially chose Edward Wilson, Judge Edward Wilson, based on his experience and qualifications. So basically, they really had no reason to have this judge removed, but they did. And again, this is the defense attorney for the police officer. So right away, I just want to say, off the cuff, that this was a move to orchestrate the possible outcome or persuasion of the jury when you do shenanigans like this. It's not unheard of for judges to be removed for a case, but usually it's a conflict of interest. There's a good reason, but under the Minnesota law, they don't even have to give a reason. So right now, the only reason that they're giving is, quote, based on some research of theirs. And no further comment or explanation is given. So I just want to say, in my opinion, that it's based on race, once again. And I say that because Edward Wilson, Judge Edward Wilson, is a black judge. And like I said, they initially chose him based on his experience and qualifications, and the fact that he was second senior judge in the district. So really, they had no reasons to remove Judge Edward Wilson. But just like the racist, white supremacist system that runs everything in this nation, they have orchestrated another injustice, because that's all it is. It's another injustice. Everything that we've been witnessing across America in the kangaroo courts has nothing to do with justice. Just us, as far as black and brown and other people of color, sure, but it has nothing to do with justice. Just us only is what this is all about. It has nothing to do with justice. And so I wanted to bring that out and point it out, because when I saw that, that is another travesty in our history, especially as far as race relations. When a racist system, and it goes as high as the courts. We know that there's plenty of judges across America who are flat racist. No other explanation can be given for the things that we've witnessed across this nation in the so-called courts. This is a kangaroo court system. It's an injustice system, if you want to call it that. But it has nothing to do with justice. Just us. Just us black folks is more like it. Just us people of color is what this is about. And so I wanted to bring this out to say that, again, it's a travesty. And if you disagree, you're welcome to leave a comment. And even if you agree and want to leave a comment, I welcome your comment. But in my opinion, I believe, once again, we're shown right in our faces that we're dealing with a racist, white supremacist system that has nothing to do with justice. I hope one day this system fails and falls to its knees. Because who can support injustice? Again, I'd like to, before I close, I just want to say, I'm curious what the judge is going to be like to replace this black judge, Edward Wilson. Who is the next judge that's going to replace him, and what qualifications do they have that Edward Wilson doesn't have, other than skin complexion? Inquiring minds want to know. I know I want to know. What qualifications does this follow-up judge have that Judge Edward Wilson did not have, that you had to have him removed, other than being a black man? That's the question. So family, I'm going to end this video. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. If, like I said, please leave a comment, like, share, and if you're watching this video, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace and love to you and yours. I'm out.